So in this video, we are going to learn how to upload Telegram images to Google My Business. Now suppose guys you and your team members are sharing some images with caption on your Telegram group or Telegram channel and you want to post those same images as a new post on your Google My Business profile as well. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be sharing or sending a new image with caption on our Telegram channel. And action will be sharing the same image as a new post on our Google My Business account, creating a post on Google My Business with the same image. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name this workflow as Telegram to Google My Business. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to connect our Telegram group or Telegram channel with Pabbly Connect so that whenever we share a picture with caption in the Telegram group, we get the details of that picture and the caption in our Pabbly Connect workflow. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to post that same picture on our Google My Business profile. So let's begin. Now here to connect our Telegram account with Pabbly Connect, here in Trigger window, in Choose App, search for Telegram bot. Select Telegram bot. And then in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select Set Webhook/Watch Updates as the trigger event. Now after this, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Telegram bot account with Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, first we are going to create a bot in our Telegram account. Then we are going to add that bot in our Telegram group or Telegram channel, and we are going to make that bot the admin of the Telegram group as well. And then after that, whenever a new message will be sent on that Telegram group or Telegram channel, we are going to get the details of that message inside Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's see how it is done. So here I am on my Telegram account, and here you have to search for bot father. Open the bot father's chat and then enter /new bot over here. Then after that, it is asking us what is the name we want to give to our bot. So I want my bot name to be Pabbly Image 2. This is the name of the bot. And after that, we have to select the username of the bot. And the username should end with _bot. So I'm going to use the same name and then I'm going to add _bot as the username and send it. And it is done. It is this simple to create a bot in Telegram. We have successfully created this bot, and here in response in this message as well, you can see the API key of the bot, the API token. Just copy this API token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Now before making this connection, let's add this bot in our Telegram group and make this bot the admin as well. So let's create a new group. Let's create a new group, search for this same bot, Pabbly Image. Just select the bot and then move next. Now we have to name this group, so I'm going to name this group as Business Details. And then just click on Next. And just now we have created a new group in our Telegram account. And here we have added the same bot in the group as well. Now to make this bot the admin of the group, we have to use the Telegram desktop application or Telegram's mobile application. So using Telegram's mobile application, I have just now made this bot the admin of this group as well. And after making this admin, the connection is successful. Let's get back to Pabbly Connect and click on Save over here. After clicking on Save, click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And now it has changed to Waiting for Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get response of a new message from Telegram. So here guys, what we are going to do, we are going to share a picture with caption on this same Telegram group. So let's share a picture. I have this image, new clothing collection. Let's open this picture, and also we are going to add a caption to this image as well. And we are going to create a post on our Google My Business account with this same caption. So whatever caption you want to enter on Google My Business, enter that caption over here. So I have already copied the caption, so I'm just going to paste it and click on send. So as we click on send, this image with this caption is shared on my Telegram group. And because we have also have added that bot in this Telegram group, that is why we can see that the details of the same message with the same image is also received inside Pabbly Connect. And yes, here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the details of the same image. So here we have the file name of the same image which we have shared. Then we have the same file ID. So we have the file ID for the image which we have shared. Then we will scroll down and here you can see the message caption as well, the caption which we have entered. So this means the connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect is working perfectly fine. And now every time we are going to share a new image with a caption on our Telegram account, on our Telegram group basically, automatically that image and the caption will be captured inside Pabbly Connect workflow. So step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now in step 2, we have to send or post the same image which we have shared on Telegram group to Google My Business profile. But to do so, first we have to get the URL, the link of the image. Now here in this response, you can see we haven't received the link, the URL of the image. So what we have to do, we have to retrieve the image URL using this file ID. So how you can do that? For this, just scroll down, click on this action step, and here in choose app, once again search for Telegram. Select Telegram bot. And here in action event from the drop down, this time we have to select the action event as get file because we want to get the info of this particular file with this file ID. So here just click on connect. And because we have connected our Telegram bot in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on save. Now after connecting it, it is asking us for the file ID. In the help text below it says enter the file ID. Note, bots can download files up to 20 MB in size and it will be valid for at least 1 hour. The next line says the file can then be downloaded via the link. So here we have the link that using this link, we can actually download the file. And in this link, we have to enter the token of the bot. The same token which we have used while making the connection, we have to enter the same token in this link. And then here we have to enter the path of the file, where file path is taken from the response. So after using this action step, we will get the file path of this particular image, of this particular file which we have posted. And after adding that same file path in this link, we can download the image. So let's see how it works. First, we have to map the file ID. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down, we can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Telegram. And out of all of these responses, select this response of message document file ID and map it over here. And after mapping it, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the file path of the same file which we have shared on our Telegram group. So here guys, we have shared the file. In response, we have received the file ID and here you have the file path. And using this URL in this link, we just have to mention the token, the bot token which we have created using bot father. And then here we have also used that same token to connect that bot with Pabbly Connect. So in this URL, we have to mention that same token over here. And after that, here we have to mention the file path. And then using this link, the user or we can basically download the image as well. So guys, now we have the image URL and we also have the caption. Now let's create a post in Google My Business. For that, just scroll down, click on this add action step button. And here in choose app, search for Google My Business. Select it. After that, in action event from the drop down, here you can see a list of different action events, out of which we have 3 different action events to create a post. First one is to create a call to action post. The second one is to create an event post. And third one is to create an offer post. So you can basically create any kind of post according to your choice. Right now in this video, I'm going to create a call to action post. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google My Business account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this sign in with Google button, select your Google My Business account, scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google My Business account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, it is asking us for the account name. that on which business account we want to share this post. So right now I have only one account. I have created only one business account. That's why in the drop down you can see only one account name. And also we have to select the location. Like if you have your business on multiple location, you will see a list of all the locations over here. Right now I have business at only one location, so that's why it is showing us only one location over here. Then it is asking us summary, that what will be the summary of the post, the caption of the post. So here, while receiving the response of the Telegram message, we have received the message caption which we have shared. And we want to map this same message caption over here in this field of summary. And as you all know, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down from Telegram bot responses of set webhook, select the response of message caption and it will be mapped. So whatever message caption we are going to enter while sharing the post on our Telegram group, automatically that same caption will be entered in the summary of this post. Then it is asking us topic type, so we are going to select standard and then action type. So because we are creating some call to action post on Google My Business profile, so here it is asking us action type. And in the drop down, we can see different actions like book, call, learn more, order, sign up or shop. So I want that whenever a user will click on this post, I want to redirect that user to my shop. So I'm selecting shop as the action type. And here in URL section, we have to enter the URL of our shop, of our online store. So let's me enter the URL of, for example, Pabbly over here. And after entering the URL, that wherever you want to redirect user to, or you can basically select any action type according to your choice from here. Then it is asking us language code. So the language is English. So we have EN for the English as the language code. So we have entered it. Then it is asking us media format. So we are sharing a photo kind of media. So we have selected photo. And then we have to enter the media source URL. So as I told you, in media source URL, we have to enter this link, this URL, which we have received from Telegram get by. So what we are going to do, we are just going to copy this URL from here. Just copy it and then just paste it over here in this media source URL. Now in this URL, Telegram is asking us to replace this text of token with the bot token. So we are just going to clear it and here we are going to paste the same bot token which we have created using bot father. So from bot father's chat, the same token which we have used to connect our bot with Pabbly Connect, we are going to enter that same token over here. So after bot, paste the token. And then here we have to enter the file path. So let's clear it and using the second action of Telegram that was get file, in response we have received the file path of that particular file. So from this response, we are going to map the same file path over here. Just click on this field and from the drop down, map the response of file path. So in this way, we have successfully created this media source URL where we have entered the bot token and the file path of the image which we have shared. Now let's click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here we can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this media URL, this image with all of these details, a new post is created on our Google My Business profile. So let's check it. We will go to our Google My Business profile. We will go to post section, view all, and let's refresh it once. And yes guys, here you can see that the same image which we have just now shared on our Telegram group with the same caption is now shared as a new post on our Google My Business profile. And it is a call to action post, so we have the caption, we have the image, and we also have the buy option. When I click on this buy button, it will redirect us to the same link, the same URL which we have entered over here. So we have entered Pabbly's URL, so it has redirected us to this particular page. Now this means guys, the automation workflow which we have created in this video, just a second, is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, what we have to do, we have to test this automation once in real time. So using this automation, whenever we are going to share a new image with caption on our Telegram group, automatically that image with that caption will be posted as a new post on our Google My Business profile. So let's test it. We are going to share another image with a caption on Telegram group. So let's send a new message, a new post, go to photos and videos. Let's share this image. Open. And now we are going to add a caption and click on send. So just now on my Telegram group, I have shared an image with some caption. And we will see within few seconds, the same image with the same caption will be posted on our Google My Business profile. So we will go to Google My Business. We are going to refresh this page. And yes, guys, here you can see that the same image with the same caption is been posted on our Google My Business profile. This means the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. So guys, not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.